The Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister had tied himself in knots over the issue of Bribegate after Times Now first broadcast the story of a questionable transaction between Veerbhadra Singh and a private power firm. His own party also seems to be now weighing out its options. Sources say that Congress has told Veerbhadra Singh that he has to defend his own transactions and the party has got nothing to do with it. So then, is his sacking just a matter of time now?
Pushed to a corner over explosive charges of corruption, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh finds himself waging a lone battle. As his party leaves him in the cold, it is also trying to pose a feeble counter-argument.
This project was awarded by BJP government, then led by Shri Prem Kumar Dhumal. All that I'm saying is that it was Shri Veerbhadra Singh's Congress government that rejected grant of extension to project for valid grounds till Supreme Court intervened.
Last week, Rahul Gandhi called for a reconsideration of a report that let former Maharashtra Chief Minister Ashok Chavan's role off the hook in the Adarsh scam. But the Congress Vice President is yet to take a position on Veerbhadra Singh.
It is clearly understood that whose interest was there. Crores of rupees has been paid, lakhs of shares has been given of an unlisted company to Honorable CM of Himachal Pradesh, his wife and their family members.
The charges against the Congress leader are irrefutable, and Times Now's expose has put the party on the back foot.
Times Now was the first channel which revealed over 100 pages in which it has been alleged that a promoter of a private firm has given personal loans to Veerbhadra Singh, and in turn Veerbhadra Singh has given leeway to the private firm.
It is Mr. Dhumal's government which granted all these extensions, and it is Mr. Veerbhadra Singh's government which proceeded to cancel the project. So here is a person who is levelling an allegation, who allocated the project and who granted extension to the project despite the Congress government putting a ceiling of no extension.
But adding more pressure on the Congress party is the news of the CBI looking into the matter, coming as a shot in the arm for the BJP after Jaitley's letter to the Prime Minister.
For the last 4 months we've been raising these questions. They cancelled, as I just got to know that they cancelled the project in November 2013. But we've been raising it for the last 4 months. Under pressure, if they've cancelled this, when it was in the public domain, that we got to know about the transactions made from the Vakamullah Chandrasekhar's account into the family members of Mr. Veerbhadra Singh.
As the focus in the Bribegate scandal shifts to the Congress's second-in-command's silence, this is Rahul Gandhi's first political test in the new year. Will he act against Veerbhadra Singh? Bureau Report, Times Now.